For this week, I'm doing an example of solving a three-function system using elimination. And so I found this example online, just searching for examples of solving three functions using elimination. And so we have x plus 2y minus z equals 4. And then 2x plus y plus z equals negative 2. And then x plus 2y plus z equals 2. And so then we add the first two equations together, and that gives us 3x plus 3y equals 2. And then we also subtract those first two. So we subtract x plus 2y minus z from equals 4 from 2x plus y plus z equals negative 2, and we get x minus y equals negative 4. And so then we use those two, and we multiply the bottom one of those by 3 so that we can cancel out the y. And so then we get 3x plus 3y equals 2, and 3x minus 3y equals negative 12. I'm sorry, I can't get the camera to focus very well. And then we make that into 6x equals negative 10, because after you subtract, you cancel out the y's, and you get negative 10 and 6x. Sorry, after you add them together, and the y's cancel out through addition, because you add a negative. And then 6x equals negative 10, x equals negative 10 over 6. And then we can plug that into that 3x plus 3y equals 2 that we created earlier. And then we get 3 times negative 10 over x, over 6, negative 10 sixths plus 3y equals 2. And that turns into that. And then we get negative 5 plus 3y equals 2, which turns into 3y equals 7, and so y equals 7 over 3. And then z, we plug it into the original top equation here, and it goes x plus 2y minus z equals 4 originally, and then it's negative 10 over 6 plus 2 times 7 over 3 minus z equals 4. And then you see that it gradually simplifies out, and then we get 18 over 6 minus z equals 4, which is 3 minus z equals 4, which means that negative z equals 1, so z equals negative 1. And so then we get our ordered triple of negative 10 over 6 for x, 7 over 3 for y, and negative 1 for z. And so these types of problems, they're like a lot of work, but they're really not that difficult to solve. So sorry that there were points, especially at the beginning of this video, I didn't have enough light on the paper, and so you couldn't really see it very well. But hope this helped out if you're still worried about this, and hope all of you do well in the final.